Hey food lovers! If you're living with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, you know how tricky it can be to find delicious meals that won't upset your stomach. Today I'm sharing some must-try gluten-free dishes that are not only safe to eat, but also absolutely mouth-watering. First up, let's talk breakfast. How about some fluffy gluten-free pancakes? Just swap out regular flour with a mix of almond flour and tapioca starch. Top them with fresh berries and a drizzle of maple syrup. It's a perfect start to your day. Moving on to lunch, I've got a killer recipe for a quinoa salad. Quinoa is naturally gluten-free and packed with protein. Mix it with diced cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, red onions, and a handful of fresh parsley. Dress it with olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper. Simple, fresh and filling. Now for dinner, you can't go wrong with a classic gluten-free pasta dish. Use rice or corn-based pasta, and pair it with a rich tomato and basil sauce. Add some grilled chicken or sautéed mushrooms for extra flavor. Trust me, you won't miss the gluten one bit. And don't forget about dessert. Try making some gluten-free chocolate brownies. Use a mix of almond flour and cocoa powder, and don't forget a pinch of sea salt to bring out the chocolatey goodness. These brownies are fudgy, delicious, and perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth. So there you have it, a full day of delicious gluten-free meals. Remember, eating gluten-free doesn't mean you have to sacrifice flavor. With a little creativity and the right ingredients, you can enjoy meals that are both safe and scrumptious. If you enjoyed these recipes, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more gluten-free cooking tips. And as always, happy cooking. See you next time.